If you are a video editor, content creator, then you already know the importance of adding the like and subscribe buttons. Creating these animated like, subscribe buttons is really a pain in the back. So in order to help you out and save a lot of time, I have created the YouTube like subscribe pack 2023, which includes more than 100 plus animated like subscribe buttons, which are very easy to use. Just drag and drop over your videos and you are good to go. These works with the Premiere Pro version 2021 and above. There are certain elements which works even with the 2029 and above version. So let me show you how to install them and use them. So first of all, after downloading, you will get the zip file. So you need to purchase it from my website, and right now you can get up to 70% off, but that is a limited period offer. So hurry up and download it. So after downloading, you will get a zip file. You need to extract it using any unzip software like WinRAR or 7zip or any other zip extracting tool, and thereafter you will get some folders, and inside these folders you will find there is one folder called Moget files. So these are Moget files. If you don't know, let me tell you that these are the Premiere Pro presets. So these work with the Premiere Pro. So just open these, and inside it you will find all these Moget files. So you can see these are 100 plus items which you can use over your videos. So now let me open up the Premiere Pro and show you how you can install them and how to use them. Alright, so once you are inside the Premiere Pro, you have to go to the Essential Graphics. So if Essential Graphics option is not available over here, just go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics, and that way it will be available right over here. So in order to install, either you can just drag and drop these over here on this panel and those would be installed, or there is another simple way, and that is by clicking on this hamburger menu and click on the manage additional folders, and thereafter click on this add and browse the downloaded folder. So I'll select this folder and click on the OK, and thereafter all of these would be available for me, right? So you can see I already got all of these. Now let me show you how to use them. So this is the sequence over which I'm going to use it. So these are very simple and easy to use. Just drag and drop over here, click, and boom. If you just play it, now this is the get notified option, and if you go to the edit option, you can just resize it. You can scale it up, scale it down, you can adjust its position, you can change the color as well. So if I want to make it something like this, I can do that, right? So I have changed its color, so you can customize it. Now let me show you the another one. So if I go to the browse and then over here, I'll just drag and drop over here. If you just play it, this is how it looks. Okay, again, if you go to the edit panel, you can customize it, you can reposition it anywhere else, you can just position it anywhere. And let me show you another one. It has also got some lower thirds, so you can just use these lower thirds. Okay, again, if you go to the edit panel, you can just change it anything else like okay. So let me show you another. Alright, so over here, so if I drag it over here, so this is the like, subscribe and get notified. Okay, and then we have something for like this. Some of these are very simple and very elegant. So all these, they have different animations and different stuffs going on. Alright, so this one, so if I just show you this one, this is especially if you're making the content for YouTube as well as the Instagram, and you can use this like, follow and subscribe. Okay, then we have this like buttons as well. We'll just play it. So 3D like button, and there is one more variation of that, and that is this one, like bell notification. So if I just play it, you can see this is the animated 3D bell, and this is another one. Let me show you. This is subscribe button, and similarly we have the follow button. Another one, this one is very useful, follow and subscribe. I want to show you this one as well. If you just play it, you can see like 3D like button, and then we have the subscribe button, and we have the follow button. So let me show you. Subscribe button and follow button, and we have these are also very useful, like don't forget to share. And then we have the watch next video, upcoming video. In this one, if I just drag it, drop over here, that's it. And if you just play it, you can see like, subscribe and get notified. So again, you can change its color, position as well, so you can scale it up, scale it down as per your own liking. So this is this one. You can see this is how it looks. Okay, subscribe and get notified. All right, this one, by the way, it has also got some call outs, so you can just drag. These are the callouts, so let me scale it down. You can change its text, anything else. Okay, you can change its font, you can just resize it, make it smaller, larger. You can change its color. Again, you can customize them as per your own liking. So basically, this pack is totally fully loaded, and you don't have to do anything. Just drag and drop and use it. So once again, with this launch offer, you can get it at up to 70% off. Go ahead, download it and use it, and consider sharing this video with others as well. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.